How to set up build automation for Unity in 1 minute. First, head over to Buildalon.com and click Get Started. Choose GitHub. Pick the platform you want to build, like Windows or Android. You can check this box if you're a cool kid who writes tests. Pick the branches to build and if you want to build pull requests. Now we got a generated workflow file. Copy it into your GitHub repo. Add secrets to your GitHub repo. These let the build machine log into Unity. Install the Buildalon app into your GitHub organization or repo. Check if it worked by heading over to the Actions tab on GitHub. Hey look, the build already started. Go to the summary page and download your app. Looks like we have some time left, so let's enjoy a bit of nature.